Doggos. Who are you, Doggos? Cute Doggos in SOMBOR. Come on here. Come on, Pete. Come on. Shoot Doggo. Leaving a sleepy SOMBOR. 7 in the morning Sunday. Doing 110k today to Novi SAD. Even though I'm pretty heavy. Yeah, so Novi SAD. And we'll stay there one night maybe. A pretty chill ride in the morning here in SOMBOR. Everyone's sleeping. Not too much going on here. SOMBOR. Yeah, homeboys and hompeeps. Just chilling this ride and checking out the Serbian roads. Where's all of the peeps? Everyone just hangover, I bet. After a Saturday of drinking rakia until the small hours of the morning. Into Serbia. Let's do this, homeboys and hompeeps. Going into Serbia now and checking out the country. See what it has to offer. Feeling really good, hompeeps. And this is so funny. Like as soon as I enter Serbia, all of the peeps are just waving to me. And everyone's like super friendly. Peeps are just like, there's a doggo over there. Yeah. Oh my gosh, peeps. Even the doggos are just following you here. The Serbian Balkan doggos, but peeps. Just a big difference between Hungary. Peeps over there are like, we're all depressed in Hungary. And okay, peeps, I understand it. And here, it seems like peeps are just having a good time. Just being friendly, I don't know why, but it's weird. This energy across borders, there was this big ass wall, this fence, and then peeps are just waving at you. Culture, mate. Yeah, but it's fun to be here. Just enjoying the ride, listening to some great tracks here on this straight road. 100k left to Novi SAD. Novi happy. Yeah, peeps, just pedal on. The real Serbia. Some villages here in the middle of nowhere. Short break here in Srpski Miletic. Very nice town. Church here. Sunday morning, lots of peeps are chilling in the bars already. Hanging out. Pretty chill. The town hall here. Or something. Merry Christmas. Another beautiful town here in Serbia. The town of Parage and its church. Some cool Cyrillic. Getting some shelter from the rain here. Party like it's 1991, baby. This place is full of doggos. Stray doggos. Look at these doggos. Doggo! Doggo! Finally a cycling path, peeps. I've just been in that straight road on the way to Novi SAD. And yeah, soon there in about 10k, having this really nice tailwind. Peeps, very nice ride here in Serbia. The land of the free. So laid back ride. 90k with tailwind, so feeling great and just married. Riding into Novi. Lots of peeps chilling here Sunday in Novi. The second largest city in Serbia. About 300,000 peeps living here and enjoying the city of dreams. Some cool architecture here at Novi. Not bad at all, this place. Serbia. Some brutalistic housing blocks over there to the left. The peeps. Definitely something else, this place. Soon approaching the old town of Novi. Kind of a mess, honestly, architecturally. Lots of styles, but charming nevertheless, as the Serbian people. Look at this, pretty nice. Come on, peeps. Super nice, gotta tell ya. Novi. Super dope. Pretty quiet town, like most of the towns here. Yeah, I'm gonna check out the city tonight and maybe go for a beer. Thank you for watching, peeps, and pedal on. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, 93k today. Feeling good. Gonna check out the guest house. It's peeping, the peeps. Pretty chill. Definitely a very cute town. Some youth here. Here's the place, the loafer guest house. Hope it's chill, peeps, so see you on next one. Thank you for watching once again. Beautiful.